Hello and welcome to our newborn photography safety series brought to you by StandInBaby. My name is Sandra Moffat, and in an effort to make sure that we bring you all the information and facts relating to newborn safety, joining me throughout this series is well-respected neonatal nurse Anne-Marie Fieri, who will be advising us on the essentials to safely working with newborns in a studio environment. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about safety issues with newborn photography. But before we start, I'd like to say that if you are unsure about anything you hear during this series, please seek advice from a medical practitioner near you and get the answers that you need. If you have been given information from other sources, make sure it's a reliable source because the health and well-being of our clients should always be put first. In this tutorial, we're going to do a walkthrough of working with older siblings. We will be covering what to look out for as well as what to avoid. Let's take a look. Working with children in a studio environment, there is really a few things that you need to be cautious of. We have a lot of big equipment, we have heaters, we have cords, and so we do need to make sure that we maybe have a space for children when they come in to colouring in books or somewhere to be whilst we're photographing the newborn. But parents are definitely going to want photos of their siblings together, and this can be achieved, but it is also something you need to be really cautious of, because not only do we have parents who are very excited and want to get that perfect shot of their children together, but we also have this child who is just experienced this massive upheaval in their lives. There's this